All right, so I feel a little bit special because I bought this, right? And I requested a replacement because I'm like, this didn't come with a lid. I'm over here trying to unscrew this part right here. It's not coming out. I'm like, so I got the replacement today. And it came the same way. So I took a knife and I'm like determined this has to come out. And it does. This comes like this. If you take something to just pry this out, it will come right out. That's your lid, okay? So I wanted to share this because I know I'm not the only one up in here like feeling this dumb.
This was that situation, despite the difference between